Hello guys, how you all doing? I hope you guys are doing good and wonderful. So Israel the Trader here, and in today's video guys, I'm going to discuss with you guys how I passed the 5% test challenge. I think this one I passed it in less than 2 weeks. FTMO I passed it in 2 weeks, got funded and all of that, but the 5% test, I passed it in less than 2 weeks. It's not up to 2 weeks I even passed it, but there's something about them where you have to make at least 0.5% profit every day for 3 days on phase 1 and on phase 2. So that makes it 6 days. And also guys, you have to wait for verification, and of course you still have to wait for your account to be enabled and all of that. So even right now I'm still waiting for my account to be enabled. That is the $100,000 account that I just passed. I'm still waiting for it to be enabled, and I passed that account since on 2nd of October, and today is 4th. Still I'm not able to trade with the account based on the fact that it's still disabled. So yeah, with that being said, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, and of course I'm going to log into the 5% dashboard so I can show you the account and all of that. This is my first account with 5%. This is my first attempt so far, and also I'm waiting for my withdrawal on FTMO. Definitely I'm going to update you guys, and of course I will show you guys right away when we are doing this video. So yeah, with that being said guys, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's dive into my computer where I'm going to exactly show you the dashboard on FTMO and what exactly I'm waiting for the payout now, and of course the dashboard on the 5%ers where I just passed $100,000 account, and I'm waiting for them to enable it in order for me to trade on the $100,000 account, guys. So yeah, this is a mission for me to go and get $500,000 account again, based on the fact that my funding effects has banned me, guys. So I'm banned from there. I can't trade again. I don't know why they just banned me. So yeah, I'm trying to get myself back with $500,000 account again. Just passed FTMO last upper week. I think over a month I passed FTMO $100,000. Now I just passed the 5%ers. So I still have one more profit in mind, which is ETH market. So definitely, I still need $300,000 in order for my target to be reached. From there, I'll keep on going max allocation with the 5 different prop firms that I'm selecting right now. So with that being said, guys, let's go to my computer and I will show you exactly, my dashboard on the 5%ers and FTMO. Yeah, okay guys, so welcome to my computer where I'm going to be showing you the dashboard and all of that. So you all can see my PC right now. This is GBP analysis though, but I did not trade today based on the fact that today was NFP, guys. So yeah, I did not trade and I missed all this move, but it's okay based on the fact that I'm still waiting for my accounts. And on FTMO, I just requested withdrawal and they didn't give me the account that early in order for me to trade and all of that. So yeah, this is the account now. So let's go and log in on the 5% dashboard, and of course if you want to join them, guys, link is down in the description, and join them in order for you to start trading with this particular prop firm as well. So yeah, with that being said, let me just log into the dashboard. I'm logging in right now so that I can just show you guys the account overview and all of that. So you all can see this is my account overview, and you all can see that this was my phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. You all can see that. So of course on the phase 2 I gave them 1% more than what they asked for, but it is what it is. I was having a good week, and of course there's this one rule that they do have, guys, which is about a consistency rule or profitable rule. They have it, and of course you have to make 0.5% of your account every day for 3 good days in order for you to be able to pass their phase 1. And same thing is on phase 2, and this is their high stake accounts. They have different account type, guys, but me personally I went for this 2-step high stake account because I find it very convenient and I like the way that the rules are and all of that on 2-step account. So yeah, I don't really like 1-step or 3-step, so I just like 2-step account. That's why I went for it, guys. So let me just click on the phase 1 so that you all can see the trade history, the equity curve and all of that. So definitely you have a lot of ups and downs when it comes to forex trading, guys. And this is the account dashboard right now. You all can see when I started this challenge, I started with $100,000. From there I think I made 2%. And from that 2%, guys, oh my goodness, I had a bad trade. From there, boom, went down to 99.86k. Then from there, I went down to 98, lost 2% now from the account. From there, went down to 97. Now I'm losing 3%. From there, went down to 96. I was down 4% and up to even 5%. So I was down 5% on this particular account. Then I think I hit one good trade on GBP USD. Then from there, I made 1.9%, almost 2% on that particular setup. Then definitely made another 1% again. Then from there, made another 2%. Now I'm up 0.9%. Then from there, and I have a very good trading days ahead. Then a couple of trades taken and boom, and I made 8.1k in profit, which is 8.1%. But that's not the end of it, guys. I had no profitable trading day, which you can see here. I had 0 out of 3, which means even if I made 8% on this account, I'm not still passing it, yeah. So I had to still trade from trading, guys. Then I went down. You can see it here. I lost 6% from making 0.5%. I lost 6% out of that 8% profit I made. I was like, yo, what's going on, man? So I lowered down my risk, then start building it up again. Then made another 2.5%. I was like, okay, I'm coming back. Then I think I did not trade till the next day. So in order for me to just meet up with these 3 profitable trading days, then from there, made back another 1%, 2%, 3%, and eventually I hit the 8% profit target. So I think I even traded Bitcoin. I think I traded Bitcoin as well. If you check my history, you will see that there's a place I traded Bitcoin. That was on weekend. I just needed like $500 so that I can just make that make up with that 3 profitable days. And once I make 0.5%, I will meet up with that 3 days profitable days and all of that. Yeah. So okay, you can see it right here now. When I was trading Bitcoin, in order for me to meet up, you can see it. Yeah, here like this. This is when I was trading the Bitcoin. Close this ones minus. You can see I did not make any profit. Okay, that's fee. I made some profit here. You can see. I think I made up to that $500 thereabout on Bitcoin before I was able to meet up with that 0.5% target and all of that. So overall, if you take my trade history on this phase 1, I had a lot of trade, guys. I had a lot of trade, and I think I took about 60 something trade. Yeah, 68 trade. Then best out of that is I had like $3,115 on it. Then profitable trades, yeah, profit trades is 33. Then biggest loss is lost 2 point something% on one single trade thereabout. So long trades 33, short 36, expectancy and all of that, average trade size and so on and so forth. So my win rate here was 48%. It's very, very low here, guys, based on the fact that my win rate is 60 to 80%. That's my win rate. So this is very low here. So in order for me not to take much of your time, let's go and check the phase 2. What happened on phase 2? So this is the phase 2 on this particular account, being high stake 100k account on the 5%ers. You all can see here high stake phase 2. So maybe in our next video I will explain what is their high stake, what is their boot camp, what is their, they have 3 different type of account that you can buy, guys. So I will explain it maybe in our next video and all of that. So here, guys, I had a very, very good trade. Definitely, you can see my win rate here right now is 100%. I did not lose on this particular account, which is the phase 2. I think this phase 2 I passed it in 1 day. I passed it in 1 day, yeah. Then I had to still trade for 2 good days. That's why you see that I gave them 8% profit instead of, 6% profit instead of that 1%. You can see my balance here. So because I made 5%, I think in single 1 day or thereabout, then I still had to make another 0.5% the next day and 0.5% the next day in order for me to meet up with this. There are 3 days minimum profitable days in order for me to meet up with this. So that's what happened on phase 2. So there's nothing much happened on phase 2. Total trades were 18, total trades profitable were 18, zero loss and all of that. So yeah, that's what happened on this phase 2. And you can see my equity curve, I had no drawdown, guys, on this phase 2. Boom, push to the upside. Of course, this is what I like. And 100% win rate. This is not happening always, guys. You can see on phase 1, you just saw I had 45% win rate. So you know, that's that. And let's go down to the account right now, which is the funded account. So this is the funded account, guys. And this funded account, I'm still waiting for them to enable it because right now it's disabled. So I'm still waiting for them to enable it in order for me to be able to trade on this funded account. You can see here, it's actually funded. Yeah, you can see here. So the account is being verified. Of course, I had a lot of issues when it comes to verification on these the 5%ers. I don't know why they were not even accepting my bank statement because of the fact that FTMO or other preference, I had no issues when it comes to verification. Because I use my international passport for verification, and of course I use my bank statement, which is acceptable. So I don't know why they rejected it, but you know, spoken to their support and all of that, they had to manually approve my approve my address verification. Yeah, it was address. So with that being said, you know, I don't want to take much time. Let's go down to FTMO, where I'm going to show you my withdrawal status and all of that with them. Let me just log into the client area now so that you all can see what is happening on FTMO as well. Based on the fact that today was my rewards day, guys. So yeah, today was my reward day. You all can see this was the previous account, of which I had $2,331 in profit. You know, I just did not trade this account again ever since I logged in with this profit. So yeah, this is the FTMO account. So let me go down to the metrics so you all can see what happened on FTMO and all of that. So on FTMO, guys, my first trade, I lost it. So you can see here, reward day was 3rd of October, which was yesterday. But you know, they say if your reward day is today, definitely you have to wait for the market to roll over. Then the next day is when they will enable the payout button, where you'll be able to request for payout and all of that on your client's area. So this is the account. I don't want to like say much and all of that. So you can see what they are saying here now. Where is that? So you can see what they are saying here now. Thank you for submitting your reward invoice. Our accountant will review it as soon as possible and either approve it and start processing or contact you if needs further details or any corrections. So yeah, that's what they said right now. And you know, going back down to the accounts. So once you go down to these FTMO traders, that's where you'll be able to check, you know, your account history and all of that. Like I said, I stopped trading with them since 2020. Just go back again. I have not had any withdrawal on FTMO here, guys. So yeah, this is going to be my first withdrawal here now. But definitely on something like my funded FX, Alpha Capital and all of that, with my funded FX that they banned me, I made over you know, a lot of $1,000s there, guys. So yeah, of course on Alpha Capital as well, I think I made about $13,000 or $14,000 on Alpha Capital thereabout before I stopped using them, when I lost the account, when I violated my last account. Yeah, so yeah, that's it on FTMO. I'm still waiting for this to land now, or $1,865, and of course they will still refund me with my $606 that I used to purchase the account. So waiting for it to be approved and processed right away on FTMO, guys. So yeah, that's the only thing I have for you guys. And of course, if today is your first time here, my name is Israel the Trader, and I'm a forex trader full time. I don't do nothing apart from forex. So yeah, with that being said, thank you very much for checking on us today. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and family, and most importantly, make sure you follow me on Instagram, join my free Telegram channel as well, and of course, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until then, I will see you guys next time. Keep trading and make sure, don't forget to withdraw your profit, guys. Peace out, man.